So, when you say the program wasn't axed, Minister, it doesn't exist given it closed on the 30th of June.
Senator, the department actually manages 30 formal bilateral scientific and technological agreements, and we will continue to run separate bilateral science and research programs for the Australian Industry Strategic Research Fund and the new Australia-China Science and Research Fund. So for you to describe it as axing is incorrect.
Well, if a program existed before the 30th of June
the program has
and it
changed,
doesn't
Senator.
exist after the 30th of June, it's not there anymore. So
No, the program has changed. It hasn't been axed.
So, well, that's a creative.
No, it's not creative at all, Senator. It's an
well, as I
accurate
said,
reflection.
Minister, I might not like your answers, and you might not like my questions, and I'm quite at liberty to characterise them as they are, and the program, the International Science Linkages program.
Incorrect. It is factually incorrect to say the program's been axed.
Well, if it existed before the 30th of June and it doesn't exist
It
after
does
the 30th
exist,
of
Senator.
June.
That's my point. The program exists.
So
in a
what's it
different
called
form.
then, Minister? The International Science Linkages program existed before the 30th of June. What's it called now? And Professor Chubb has indicated that he might be interested in writing to you to express his concern about it. We've already got that on the record. What's it called now?
It's the International Science Branch runs a series of formal programs. Is there a separate title for the actual
Senator, the two programs that we specifically run are the Australia-India Strategic Research Fund and the Australia-China Science and Research Fund under our International Science Engagement activities. We also continue, as the Minister indicated, to engage in other international science engagement activities such as joint committee meetings with Chinese counterparts and US counterparts out of the funding for the International Science Branch.
So did those programs exist before the 30th of June?
Yes, Senator.
So they all existed before the 30th of June. They still exist now. The International Science Linkages program didn't exist before the 30th of June. Did exist before the 30th of June.
But the
and
International
doesn't
Science
exist now.
Engagement program exists now.
The International Science Linkages program does not exist now. Anyway, look, let's not go any further. I think we've demonstrated that, and the professor, as Chubb has indicated, that he's concerned about it, and let's hope that his entreaties to you are successful.
Okay, thank you, Senator Colbeck.